Hi guys, on today's YouTube video, what we're doing is we're going to be doing a test between the old brush oscillating tool and the new model brushless one, and we're going to see if you really have to upgrade your oscillating tools. Now the model number of the old tool is P343VN18. Well, there's a 10,000 to 20,000 RPM. There's a brush motor, no fancy technology. This does require an Allen key. An Allen key stores inside the tool. This tool has 6 speeds and 0's off, and has a light in front of here. And yeah, this is the old model. This is the new HP brushless model. The model number is to this oscillating tool PBLMT51, 10,000 and 20,000 RPM, same as the other one. And this has a belt clip, same, zeros off, 6 speeds. This has a 2-inch brake change. You pull this forward and this comes off, no tools needed. And they're both using 4 batteries, both of them are full, and yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, now we're gonna start simple. This is a piece of trim you'll find in the house. Now, when I'm doing a project with trim, and I always use oscillator tool to cut it if it's a couple pieces, because they're easier than getting out a whole entire miter box. And let's see which one can cut trim faster and better. Let's start off with the old model. It's on the 6 speed. The 4 amp HP battery's full, and this brace probably used, but that one's used too, so they're even. We're gonna make 3 cuts. We got the HP oscillating tool, speed 6, full battery. 3 cuts. To be honest, I think that the HP one fell a tiny bit more faster. I actually felt less vibration. With the other oscillator tool, I felt way more vibration. Okay, the next thing is it's like a small-ish piece of wood. Now, let's say if you do the project and you cut a little short, and you don't want to go back out your saw, let's see what oscillating tool can cut it faster. And we are going to start off with the brushed one first. Okay, well that felt a little slow, but it got the job done. Now let's do the HP one. By the way, the brush one was on speed 6. This one was on speed 6 now as well. Okay, next thing is a 2x4. Let's say if you gotta cut a small piece of 2x4 like this one for 1 second job, let's see which oscillating tool can cut it faster. And we can start with the brushed one first. Okay, so I think overall it did it, but it was a little slow, and I felt a lot of vibration to my hand. So let's see if the HP one could do it better. Both of these are on speed 6, so now let's try it now. The HP one did it much more faster and smoother, but both of them done a good job. Now guys, if you see those fine wood, remember, I am wearing safety goggles and heel protection, so I am being safe. Okay, now we're going to test these oscillating tools on the lower speeds and see which one does the best on the lower speeds. On the brush oscillating tool, we're going to do speed 4 and see how well it does cut a piece of trim. Okay, now we're also going to try it on speed 3 as well. Okay, now we're going to try the HP one on 4 and 3. We're going to start off with speed 4 first. Now speed 3. Now the HP one felt faster on speed the low speed, but on the brush one when I got on speed 4, it felt more it felt more powerful on the brush one. To be honest, the brush one won this one. This one felt kind of weak on the smaller speeds. Final test of the video was power test. Got cut a small piece of power like this one. Speed 6, the brush oscillating tool. Final day HP oscillating tool on speed 6. And we're done with the testing. And guys, what are my overall thoughts on both of these tools? Now, if you have the old one and consider upgrading, I think it's definitely worth it. But if you have the old one saying, will this work? Yes, this will work. But this one's faster and this was vibration. I felt this one gets more vibration, this one gets less. Now, in my opinion, I would upgrade, yes, but if it's you want to keep your tool, it'll work too. But I think both of these tools are good tools. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.